chocolate roll, 4 ingredients only, and you have this amazing crunchy sweet biscuit roll. All you need is just 4 ingredients. I'm sure it's all houses have it. You can test. Is amazing. One of my favorite dessert. Let's do it first. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younes. In my channel, all the art and secret of sugar, how to make choubis from pastilla, chocolate, nougatine, even bread choubis. All technique of chocolate, all technique of bonbon, it's all in my channel. Please watch it all. First, we have 150 gram chocolate, dark chocolate 55%, 65 gram butter, 60 gram fresh milk. 3 of them we can keep it in microwave for 30-50 seconds, and or we use it in bain-marie. So easy. In other side we have 140 gram biscuit. It almost 14 piece of biscuit. You can use Mary biscuit or digestive biscuit or any type of biscuit you love. Make sure you don't have very small or very big, just medium pieces. That's it. And then you added your ganache. Make sure you mix all together, all the ingredients. And make sure that nothing not covered with ganache, because this is the reason it will all combine together and becomes one piece roll. Here, bechamel paper. You empty all ingredients inside the bowl. Try to make it as steak, big steak, and then sausage roll. With your hand, you can adjust all to be the same size. This is one of my best biscuit. So easy. In 1 hour, you can give it to your kids, your friend. Even when I was in the hotel, I just make it for room amenity, and everyone love it. Just roll it, close it from both sides, keep it in the freezer 1 hour or overnight in fridge. Melt 200 gram or 150 gram dark chocolate. Remove from freezer and then remove the paper. You keep it in the grill. Tempering your chocolate, very important. I don't like, some chefs added some oil to be soft. I don't added anything. Just 55% chocolate. I tempering the chocolate. I cover the roll. And then shake it to take the extra chocolate. And you can see it's shiny, it's beautiful. You cover all edges. You leave it room temperature 10-15 minutes. It will crystallize, and then you can chop it or you can slice it with sharp knife. You can see very smooth. Cut the shape and size you want, and you have the most beautiful and easy chocolate roll, chocolate biscuit roll. I hope you enjoy watching my channel. Please leave the comment which dessert or chocolate you want to learn. Don't work harder, just work smarter.